Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Bridgmohan. We are celebrating over 500 episodes, and I want to let you know we're growing and we're expanding. I will be introducing you to my co-host and my partners, Ricky Nandalal, Glenn Bridgmohan, Tim Tian, and Saj Ramatula. You're going to be hearing from them, and they're going to be hosting the next few episodes in the months to come. So enjoy them. Don't miss me. I'm not going too far or too long, and enjoy their episodes. Thanks for tuning in.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another special episode of Financial Room. I'm your host, Sajid Ramatullah, proud owner of Hammer Heroes and a proud executive real estate partner at the BridgGroup of companies. I would like to talk about our office renovation, which we recently did. I learned quite a few things, which I would like to share with you guys. If you guys are in the market to have your office renovated, you're at the right place. So there are a few things I learned from that renovation and other projects I've done, which could be helpful to you. And I thought I'll bring in my experiences and share it with you guys so that you guys can have a streamlined process of your project. So let's start off with the first strategy I would like to recommend is defining objective and vision. Are you doing your office renovation just to give it a new look, or you're rebranding your own brand and you want to show that new branding flowing through your new office design, or you just want to modernize your office and give it a new look? Whatever your needs are, we are here to help you, and we are here to help you to get to your final goal. Next and very important thing is involve the stakeholders early into the project. Sometimes you start the project with the stakeholders late, and that could delay your project. So if you have to find out from the city the requirements, I would suggest start way early so that you're ahead of the game and there's no any hiccups during down the road. Next thing, I would like to remind you to always bring in your employees into your design stage. They are the ones will be spending their time, so we have to make sure they are comfortable with their design. Maybe they have their own unique requirements of the lighting or maybe the heating. That's what I learned from my renovation. So give them a chance and make them a part of your renovations. One and most important thing is ensure compliance and safety. Make sure you apply for your building permit on time. All the fire codes and safety standards are followed so that you have a streamlined process. One more important thing I would like to touch on quickly is communicate with your staff. Make sure they know what's coming up so that they know if it's going to be loud during the office hours, or some days they might have to take off, so they have to be involved in the whole process. And make sure someone like us, Hammer Heroes, would love to be part of your project, who can monitor the progress and make sure the quality is controlled on a daily, weekly basis. Guys, go on our website, follow us on our Instagram, all of our other social media. Would love to hear back and get a feedback from you guys. In the end, we have a special offer going on right now, which I'm not going to disclose right now. Pick up the phone and I promise you this offer is much better than the last month. And remember, Hammer Heroes, we renovate, you celebrate. Thank you, and looking forward to seeing you guys in the next episode.